राज्याचा अर्थसंकल्प 2023-2024 मंजूर झाल्या उपरांत विरोधकांनी पत्रकार परिषद घेऊन सरकारचेर टीका केली। हो अर्थसंकल्प विरोधकांनी घोषणा चढ कमी येस असो पाचारला। विरोधकांनी 26,000 कोटीचो अर्थसंकल्प अवास्तव आशिल्ल्याचे म्हटला। मात अर्थसंकल्पातल्यान काय गजालीक विरोधकांनी येवकार दिला।
I call it maximum announcement and minimum achievement. You all must have seen जे I highlight केले pertaining to 22-23 budget as highlighted in the action taken report that this government has failed and now passed झाला in spite of it getting 380 KTs जे supplementary demands मुतेका ये दिल्ले पण implementation on the ground is zero. Several issues, if you look, one of the major issues today in Goa is the rising unemployment, and the youth of this state are worried about their future. Engineers, graduates, postgraduates, they don't have jobs. I don't look at the situation improving in the coming years. Today we are the second most unemployed state in the country. In the years to come, or maybe possibly next budget session, I am sure with the budget that the CM has proposed, that this unemployment will raise and we might become the first unemployed state in the country. There doesn't seem to be any vision, only announcements. Now, one request that we had asked the Honorable Chief Minister with regards to social welfare, कित्याक बारीक लोकांगेले पैसे जावं लाडली लक्ष्मी जावं विडोज जावं जे पेन्शन तांकां मेळटा पर्सन विथ डिसेबिलिटीज हे लोकांक ताबडतोब विदाउट एनी डिले मेळो जाय. सो ही इज गिवन एन अश्योरन्स. लेट अस सी announcement केल्या, it looks very everyone feels happy, this is done, that is done, but how much will it be implemented? Because we have serious doubts on the implementation of this budget. Now the total outlay of 26,844 crores is, there are certain things that I welcomed personally. One was the seafarers pension scheme that had to be made permanent. But that also whether it is going to be implemented. See, you see the delay that these schemes and pensioners, retired people are waiting for 6 months. Persons with indigent sportsmen in indigent conditions, they are waiting on for years. So basically he has announced, I had requested him in the last session that he should take additional grants for the official language, Konkani Bhash, Amgeli. So I welcome that step of his. Also, I had written a letter to him regarding the autism care center, and I feel persons with disabilities have full right, and hopefully he's created another department for welfare of persons with disability.
GOA365 खातीर विन्संट रोजारियो, सुभाशिष गोवेकार आणि शिवानी सांगेलकर.